Hi, my name is Janani Ravi and welcome to this course on Style Transfer with PyTorch. A little about myself. I have a master's degree in electrical engineering from Stanford and have worked at companies such as Microsoft, Google and Flipkart. At Google, I was one of the first engineers working on real-time collaborative editing in Google Docs, and I hold 4 patents for its underlying technologies. I currently work on my own startup, Lunicorn, a studio for high-quality video content. Style transfer refers to the use of a neural network to transform an image so that it comes to artistically resemble another image while still retaining its original content. In this course, you will gain the ability to use pre-trained convolutional neural networks that come out of the box in PyTorch for style transfer. First, you will learn how style transfer involves a style image as well as a content image and a pre-trained neural network that unusually does not change at all during the training process. Next, you will discover how intermediate layers of the CNN are designated as style layers of interest and content layers of interest. Then, 2 loss functions are minimized, a style loss and a content loss. The minimization of these 2 losses leads to an output target image with content from the content image and style from the style image. Finally, you'll explore how to leverage a new and much hyped family of ML models known as GANs or Generative Adversarial Networks. You'll see how GANs can be used to create realistic images and videos of virtually anything. When you're finished with this course, you will have the skills and knowledge to perform neural style transfer to get images that combine content and artistic style from 2 different inputs and use GANs to generate realistic images from noise.